Honey, look, a bird just came. She's looking right at me. She's not even moving. Oh my goodness. Hi, birdie. Hi. Hello, what's your name? Hey, what's your name? Daddy, come have a look. Dad, come have a look. Hi, what's your name? She's right here, Daddy. Come have a look. Hi, honey. She's standing right here looking at me. Oh my gosh. Is this a seagull or something? Hi. I told you that animals like me. Dad, come. Please, Dad. This is a very rare occasion. Dad, come. Oh my gosh. Just don't move too much. She might get scared. Oh my gosh. Hi. She came right at me. She flew right into here. I have a friend here, Dad. Come on, please. Come and say hi. Hi, honey. Hi. First the horse, the dogs, and now the bird is coming to me. Oh my gosh, what's going on here, guys? Okay, buddy. What's going on? Do you want to come in and sleep with me? Dad, come have a look, please. Please, this guy wants to say hi. Is she cold? Oh my gosh, she's standing right here. Oh my gosh. Hi, honey. Hi. She's not even moving. She just flew right to me. Hi, sweetie. What are you trying to tell me? Huh? Dad, come have a look. Come say hi. She's just standing right. She flew right over. Do you see it? Hi. Quack, quack, quack. Is this a duck or what, Dad? Come have a look at its feet. Is this a duck? It looks like a duck. The feet are like a duck's feet. Oh my gosh, I gotta show you the feet. This is amazing. Oh my gosh.